In this video, I'll be showing you how to restore your iPhone 6. So for do that, first you need an IPSW of your iPhone 6. The links will be in the description. So without wasting any time, just perform restoring. I don't want to restore my iPhone, I want to update it because I don't want to lose my data. So you can see cancel first here. Okay. Okay, wait for it guys, it's taking a lot much time than before. Okay, yeah, okay. So what you need to do is just download the IPSW from the following link in the description. So after you have downloaded the whole IPSW, you need to click shift plus left button of the mouse. Okay, sorry for that. So okay, first I want to disable Find My iPhone from the iCloud settings. Okay, wait for me guys, I will come back here. So now I've turned off. So what you need to do is just click right click update. The procedure is same for restoring or updating. I'm going to restore because as I mentioned, I don't want to lose my data. So yes, this is my IPSW. So I'm very hurry. So right shift plus left button of the left button of the mouse. Click on it, and you have to search your IPSW. Mine in my desktop. Okay, so yeah, this is my IPSW 9.1. Click open. You can see my phone is containing iOS 9.1. Just click on update. It will extract the software. Once it has extracted the software, I will come back in few seconds or minutes. Don't worry. So guys, I'm back and you can see iTunes is still extracting the software or IPSW. So it's hardly left 3 to 7 seconds. Don't worry about that. Okay, now it's completed. So it is preparing iPhone for software update. Wait for it, don't be in hurry. If you get any error, so just if you want to fix those errors, just search it on Google. Google will help you. So okay, now it's saying waiting for iPhone. You can listen many sounds. Preparing iPhone, so software update, waiting for iPhone. Verifying iPhone update with Apple. Guys, now it will take a lot time. Okay, as I know it will take, what the fuck is that? So I know as it take 2 to 3 minutes. So I will come back when this is completed. Hey guys, I'm back. I want to tell you that the whole process, the whole software update for your iPhone takes at least 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes guys. So don't be in a hurry. At least 5 minutes, that means it can take 7 to 8 minutes, but at least 5. And if you are restoring your iPhone, it will take more time than updating it. Okay, so now it's completed. Upbox completed. Okay. Now it's verifying updated iPhone software. It will not take more time as I hope. Sorry. I don't want to pause the video. You can skip this step by the videos in YouTube. Updating iPhone firmware. How much time does it take? Oh. Guys, I think that iTunes has upgraded my iPhone. Let's wait for it to connect. And now my iPhone is connected, and it will be here within a minute. Yeah, my iPod is iPhone. Sorry, no iPod. My iPhone is connected, and you can see here iPhone. It's still sorry, so thanks for watching my guys. So please like, if you enjoy my video, please like my video. Thanks for watching again.